Hello, lovely people, lovely people. Hope you're all doing well. Yeah, I'm back today as well. And today, guess the car we have? Yes, today we have a Land Rover Discovery SPT aerodynamic. This one produces 201 horsepower and it's diesel, SC version diesel. So this is the car we have today to do a review on it. So guys, as you can see, it's a very lovely car. So let's go around it and see how it looks and if it's worth buying. That's all that I do. This all the channel is about. So let's go around it. Let's go around it and see if it is worth buying. But as you know, you've heard Land Rovers are unreliable. So to start with, it shows where it's going. But let's go around it, guys. Let's go. Come on. So guys, that's it. As I said, it's Land Rover Discovery SPT aerodynamic. So this is how it looks like. This particular one is a 2022 model and it drives pretty well. So this is the car we are going to review for the day. And once again, this is the African car guy. So let's go around it straight away. As I always do, we go straight to the boot space. So that's it. This is a diesel version, Discovery Sports. So diesel version, 2.0 diesel. So let's go to the boot and see if it has. It comes with what's the name? This is an automatic boot. Yeah. Let's see if it comes with a spare wheel or an inflator kit. Let's open. Don't mind, as soon as I pick up this car, I did wash it. So this one comes with an inflator kit and not a spare wheel. Yeah, I understand. That's the modern trend. So let's go, and it comes with automatic boot. That's it. Auto boot. Yeah, that's it. Discovery Sports. This one doesn't come with a twin exhaust, left and right. It comes with single twin exhaust. So that's it. Very beautiful tail lights all around. In a matter of fact, it looks like the Range Rover Evoque. This one, yeah, this one is a bit smallish. I'm surprised, but the Discovery that we used to know was a big car, very big car, but I think they've reduced the size. Aerodynamic, radar sensor, air vents, but I don't know whether it works or not. What trim does it come with? Rim size, rim 20. Okay, rim 20. All the tires on this are very good, and I've driven this for 120 miles and it drives pretty well. But you know, for these cars, the problem with these cars, especially this Land Rover Discovery, the 2.0 turbo engine is, and this one comes with a sunroof. Look at that. Well, spoiler. The problem with this cars, the Land Rover Discoveries are there oil leaks from the engine, which is very notorious for that kind of problems. So if you are not buying a new one, trust me, it's going to give you problems. But if you still want to buy it, check out for oil leaks. Okay, so this is the interior. Plastic, artificial leather frame, Meridian sound system speaker, aerodynamic, very beautiful interior. Look at that leather stitching. Look at that. Let's see something. Oh, automatic. Let's sit in it and see. Start. See a upright brake. Let's start it. Okay. Automatic sunroof. Plastic. Look, it's very responsive as well. The screen touch plus all the dials, and it comes with a 9-speed auto gearbox with a manual option, which comes with a shift button. Let's see, drive select, see, shift back to automatic, and it comes with paddle shift as well. Multifunctional steering wheel with leather stitching. Very beautiful all around car. Center console comes with some storage, charging ports. Back. Let's go to the back. Same plastic, visual leather, plastic. Very beautiful seating, and a 4x4. You know, there is space, very large space for 3 adults at the back. That's it. With a bit of storage as well. Cup holders. So that's it, guys. So we'll go to the engine bay and check out the engine. Let's check out the engine. So as I said, this is the 2.0 engine, very notorious for oil leaks. So upon picking this up, I bought it for one of my subscribers, so I decided to check thoroughly. So you can see there is no oil leak anywhere. I checked everywhere. Before there was a slight, but it was due to oil change when I asked. I did remove the cap to check to be sure before buying it. So this is what to look for. Please don't fall for it. Always check for oil leak when you are buying one of these, because it's very notorious for oil leaks. And overall, it's an unreliable car for that one. Yeah, you have to know it's a Land Rover. So let's just close it. The engine produces 201 horsepower, which is very good for a diesel car. So that's it. Let's take it for a ride. the roof, full view of the car. So guys, let's take it for a drive. And as I said, I have driven this thing for almost 150 miles and it drives very well. But as I said, buying one of these, you should check for oil leaks. That's why I've been repeating. Don't mess up before you realize. Check for oil leak. Check for oil leaks. That's the main problem for this car, the engine. As for driving, it drives very well. And we all know it's a Land Rover. So for reliability sake, we all know it's not reliable. If you are buying an old one, you know more than 4 years it will not be reliable. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Pretty well, very stable. It's a 4x4, so good ground clearance. You can see everywhere around you. If you ask me, would I buy this? The African car guy, would you buy this? It's a no for me, because I'm not a fan of the Land Rovers. Apart from that, I know it's not unreliable, so for me it's out. But my choice is not your choice, so it's up to you. Let's go. So guys, as I said, this particular Land Rover Defender, Land Rover Discovery SPT R Dynamic uses 2.0 turbo engine, and it drives pretty well. It shares the same platform as the Land Rover Sports, but this one, the main problem, as I said, is oil leaks from the engines. So if you are buying one of these and it's not new, make sure, even if it is 6 months, make sure you check for oil leaks, because it is very notorious for oil leaks. And secondly, I know it's unreliable, but if it is new, then you'll be lucky, it will be reliable. It's luck. But if you buy it second-hand, used, after 5 years, troubles for you. So all that I can say is, you can buy it, but be careful. But to me, I will stay away from this kind of cars, yeah, because it's troublesome for oil leaks. Trust me. All the same, and it drives very well. As for handling, it handles very well, very well, very well. Yeah, very well. So guys, it's up to you if you want one of these. All that I've told you is check for oil leaks. That's the main problems of this car, but it handles very well. So it's up to you. there's my advice. This is a 2022 model and drives very well. It's okay. I've checked for everything and it's okay. It drives very well. See, very pretty, very luxurious as the Range Rover Sports, everything. So guys, that's it. It drives very well. Handles very well. But overall, I will give this car, in terms of driving, and I'll give it 6 out of a 10. It drives very well as for that one, but to own it is a problem for me. It's unreliable. But if you get a brand new one and use it for just 3 to 4 years and you change it, you'll be okay. You wouldn't get into trouble because and there is warranty as well. So after 3 years, but Land Rover only gives warranty up to 3 years, so you should know every 3 years just change it and you'll be okay. I would not recommend this 4x4. There are lots of 4x4 on the market which are very reliable and solid as well, and drives the same as this one. So guys, it's up to you. So as I always say, don't do what I wouldn't do. Stay blessed and peace. See you on the next one. Bye bye.